Hello there, my name is Caroline from Supreme Solar Power.
And my name's Emily from Supreme Solar Power. Glad it's not Caroline, otherwise people get confused.
It would be quite confusing.
What? Speaking of being confused, people get a little bit confused about solar and why there's the benefit of having solar put in their house, particularly from a buck's point of view.
Yeah, I know people work so bloody hard for your money and then it's a throw away in your electricity bill. You've got to realise every 3 years you spend on your energy bill what a solar power system would cost to pretty much give you $2,000 a year saving every year. And in many cases that would actually cover most people's electricity bills in entirety.
Yeah, exactly right. So, I mean, my question is now that you know that, you have that information in your back pocket, why wouldn't you come to us to get solar power?
Well, the reason why most people don't actually have a system in is because they haven't actually spent the time to understand it. You know, once I speak to so many people all the time, and they're like, Caroline, why has everyone got a solar power system? And 99% of the time is because they haven't spent, you know, an hour or so understanding what they're really missing out on.
And this $2,000 that you could be missing out on, well, you are missing out on.
Yeah, it's a free holiday.
That's right. Could be money in your back pocket, and we don't give it back to the fat cats.
Okay. So look.
Oh, and we've got a really fantastic deal on offer until Friday, the 16th of February 2018.
Yeah, so if you actually sign up before that date, then we will actually give you $250 cash back upon installation of your system. Okay?
50 big schmackaroos.
What would you spend $250 on?
Oh, I don't know. I think I might get that bikini I've got my eye on.
Yes. Okay, well, you can buy whatever you want. There's a lot of guys out there who probably won't do the same thing.
Might not.
Yeah.
Depends. Might have a bit of a kick. Anyway, we're from Supreme Solar Power.
Thank you for calling Supreme Solar Power.